What's the meaning of aimlessness? Aimlessness. 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 Aimlessness refers to the state of lacking direction or purpose. When someone is aimless, they may feel lost, uncertain, and disoriented. They may struggle to make decisions, prioritize goals, or take action towards achieving what they want. This can lead to feelings of frustration, disappointment, and unfulfillment. Aimlessness can be a temporary state caused by a lack of clarity or motivation. But if left unchecked, it can become a chronic condition that hinders personal growth and success. Overall, aimlessness can have a negative impact on a person's well-being and quality of life.